guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can put Snapchat beer filter on TikTok. I'm particularly talking about this trend on TikTok, beer filter trend.
Cause I just wanna party all night.
Beautiful people drop top.
Cause I just wanna.
Beautiful people drop top. To everyone taking popular videos and duetting it and saying if you put it in the bear filter on Snapchat, it sounds like James Charles.
Okay, so let's take this video and let's apply the beer filter on it. So let's save this video. Okay, now let's go to Snapchat. Now in Snapchat, let's go to camera roll. Okay, this is the video. Now on the top right corner of the screen you can see these three vertical dots. Tap there and edit snap. Now at the bottom left corner of the screen you can see this sound button. Long press on it and tap on this beer.
I can guarantee if you put this video in Snapchat with the bear filter, it would sound like James Charles. And that's not even me trying to get clout and trying to get you to do it. That's literally just the truth. So, thank you. To
Everyone taking popular videos and duetting it and saying if you put it in the bear filter on Snapchat, it sounds like James Charles. It's not that the person sounds like James Charles, it's just that the bear filter sounds like
So as he explained,
James Charles. It's just that the bear.
likewise you can apply this beer filter on TikTok videos. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.